Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back again with Miss Aria. And today we have a really cute hairstyle, perfect for toddlers and little girls. Any age could rock this style, but it's particularly good for the fine hair of toddlers and little girls. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. We would really love to have you all as part of our little YouTube family. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. So to start this style, I've just sectioned off a small rectangular section in the front, took it back almost to the crown of her head and tied it in a little ponytail. I'm going to split this in half. And I'm going to do a 3-strand braid with both sections. Just a regular 3-strand braid. When you've braided it down to about the shoulder, you can just take a small elastic and secure it in place temporarily while you do another 3-strand braid with the other section. Now I'm going to secure this one temporarily as well. Now I've just gathered all of the hair behind her ear here, and I'm going to secure it with an elastic in a side ponytail. This is just a small little elastic. Now we're going to take these 2 braids and we're going to do like a rope twist. So we're going to twist the braid to the right, twist to the right, and then cross to the left. Just like a regular rope twist, only with micro braids. Okay, so now I'm going to take this rope twisted braid and I'm going to take a bigger hair tie and just add it right into this ponytail. And that's the finished style. So you just have your cute twist braid accenting your side ponytail. It's really quick and really simple, and we really like this one. Okay guys, that's it for this hairstyle. We really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And that's it for now. We will see you in the next one. Bye.